Hello students, welcome once again. Let us continue our chapter number 2, that is Preamble to the Constitution. In the previous lecture we studied the preamble has guarantees the three values of justice, liberty and equality. We have learned the first value, justice. Social justice, economic justice and political justice are talked of in the preamble. Let us see the second value, that is liberty. Liberty implies that there should be no coercive, unfair restrictions upon us and that there should be an atmosphere conducive to the development of our inherent capacities. Dear students, coercive means displaying a tendency and conducive means bring about some result. Here liberty implies that there should be no coercive, unfair restrictions on anybody. In a democracy, citizens enjoy liberty. In fact, democracy becomes mature only if citizens enjoy freedom. Freedom of thought and expression is the most fundamental freedom for an individual. Everyone is free to express their own views and opinions. Give and take up ideas enhances the spirit of cooperation and unity amongst us. Dear students, in a liberty, everybody is free to express his or her views and opinions. Then similarly, it also enables us to understand the various dimensions of any problem. The liberty of belief, faith and worship implies religious freedom. Every Indian citizen is free to act as per the teachings of their religion or the religion of their choice. Every Indian is free to follow the religion of their choice. It implies the freedom of celebrating the festivals and the freedom of faith and worship. Now let's see the next value, that is equality. The preamble guarantees the Indian citizens an equality of status and of opportunity. It means that all have equal human status and there will be no discrimination based on caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth, etc. Here, liberty dear students, equality means here we all have equal. We all have equal. No one is superior than us or no one is inferior. It is based on there is no discrimination based on caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth. So the preamble has given great importance to equality of opportunity as well. All will get the opportunities for development without any discrimination. The preamble to our constitution refers to a unique ideal or principle. It is the goal of promoting fraternity among the citizens and to assure the dignity of the individual. Now, let's see about the fraternity. Their fraternity, the makers of the Constitution believe that merely guaranteeing justice, freedom, and equality would not lead to establishing equality in Indian society. No amount of laws would help to achieve this goal if fraternity is lacking among Indians. The students here, fraternity, believe that it is merely guaranteeing justice, freedom, and equality. It would not lead to establishing equality in Indian society. No amount of laws would help us achieve these goals if fraternity is lacking among Indians. Hence, the promotion of fraternity has been included in the preamble as a goal. Fraternity implies a we feeling towards one another. It creates a feeling of empathy. People become more understanding towards each other, problems and needs. The students in these values, we learn that the fraternity is we feeling among the people, having understanding of the needs of each other. This will promote social harmony. No amount of laws would help us to achieve the goals if fraternity is lacking. Fraternity is closely related to human dignity. Human dignity implies equal respect to each individual as a human being. It means we have to give the respect to each and every person as a human being. It does not depend upon the criteria of caste, creed, race, sex, language, etc. Just as we would like to be treated with dignity and respect by others. If we give respect to others, then others will give respect to us also. If we hated to others, they also hated to us. So we have to give respect each and every person. We should also treat others with the same dignity and respect. When every individual respects another and honors the freedom and rights, dignity of individual will get established. In such an atmosphere, fraternity will grow automatically. The task of bringing about a new society based on the values of justice and equality. The students here, dignity of individual is closely related with fraternity, and it implies to show the respect for every individuals. The equality will be facilitated. The preamble to the Constitution of India guides us to this very goal. The preamble to the Constitution of India guides us to this very goal. The preamble ends with a mention of the fact that the people of India have given the constitution to themselves. Dear students, here the preamble begins with the words "We the people of India" and it ends with the words that the people of India have given to themselves this constitution. Dear students, I hope you understood this chapter. Here today we have completed the lesson. You have to read the lesson carefully. Now I put here assignment. Read the questions carefully and write down the answers. Question number first. Find the following words in the GURD. GURD means rectangular arrow. Rectangular array or crossword puzzle. For example, first one is there. A sense of feeling and empathy towards fellow citizens. A sense of feeling and empathy towards fellow citizens. So find out the related word of this statement, that is fraternity. So in this way you have to solve this question. Now question number second. Answer the following questions. Question number third. Explain how should we make use of our freedom? Write your views about it. And last question. Explain the following concepts: socialist state, equality, sovereign state, and equality of opportunity. So, dear students, complete your notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.